Daddy and Julian's first ride around the bay. We've got our water bottle and Daddy's all set and ready to go with helmets on and everything. So you've got a light on the back and it's already turned on. Okay?
I wish I had a light on my helmet.
Well, we'll get you one. We'll get you one soon, okay?
So now?
Not now, but soon. Okay, let's go. Come on. You're just ready to take off? Okay. Down the back lane.
Stop. Forward. Stop.
There we go, let's go down this way.
Stay away from me.
Okay. Yeah.
Don't drive too fast.
No, I won't go too fast.
Don't hold on with your hand.
Good boy. Okay. Now we're going to go down through the park. No, I won't. Come on, down here. Down here. Down this way. There we go.
Don't go too fast.
No, I'm not going to go too fast.
Whoa.
There you go.
Whoa.
Look out. Stay away from the girl. Good boy. Keep going, buddy. No, going well. Yeah.
It's a bit of a hot day.
It's a bit of a hot day, is it?
Yes, and we should have a break and a drink.
We've only just started. Okay. Well, let's cross over the road and then we'll stop and have a drink.
I'm tired.
You're tired? Oh, don't say that now. We've only just started. All right. How are you feeling?
Good?
Did you have a drink?
Yes.
Was it nice?
Yes.
Good. All right.
Up you go again.
Off we go again. Remember to stay left. Yeah. Yep. Perfect. Good boy. Keep left. All right. Up the hill. I know. Nice work. Keep going. Keep left. All right. Up this way. Yep. All right. What's that? I'm having fun. Are you having fun?
Yes!
Alright, very good. Be careful, stay left. Good boy. Good boy. So far so good. No shortage of enthusiasm. We're going to go down this hill. Because that's the way you go. Now remember, you've got hand brakes as well as back pedal brake. What's that? Luna Park? Not today, buddy.
What?
Keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. Round to the right. Round this way. Good boy. Yep. No, stay over on the left. Over here. Yep. More over this way. Good boy. Keep your foot on the brakes down the hill. Yep, well done. A little bit faster. Good boy. All right, slow down through here. All right. Keep left. Yeah, it's a bit of a steep hill, isn't it?
Let's go!
Soccer game. Come on. Watch out for the bumps. Good boy. You having fun?
Yes,
You like riding around the bay?
yes. Kevin said to go over.
Alright, keep left. Keep going, keep going. Yep. Alright, keep left, Julian. Someone's coming past. Stay left. Yeah.
Sorry, darling.
Good work, buddy.
Another really hard one.
Keep going, good boy. Round the bay.
You don't have to go that way.
Keep over this side of the road, please, mate. Watch out for the people. Keep going.
Whatever way.
Don't know, mate. Somebody else owns that bike. Now, come over this side. Ready? Come over here. Come over here onto this bike path. Come over here. Good boy. Now, keep left.
That's off the stupid.
Hold it nice and straight. It's fun? Where are you?
Yeah, I was stressed, and then I just was running close to the wheel.
Oh, okay.
Look, I can't come in. Quickly,
Keep to the left, mate.
Why are you running on that side?
No. Keep going.
Look at that cute little mouse. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at.
Ambulance. Wow.
What is that, guys?
That's an ambulance.
What does it do?
Well, when you get sick, the ambulance comes and they fix you up or take you to hospital.
Let's ride on the skateboard track.
Okay.
But you can see how I do it.
Ready? Whoa, good boy. Hey.
Let's go.
You gonna get your bike off the track? I'll do it. There we go. There we go. Is that good fun?
Yes, you might break the chair.
Do you like riding around the bay?
Let's go.
No, we're going to have a little bit more of a drink first. What's that? Yeah. Oh. Very good.
Where are we going now?
Straight ahead. Follow the track. Yep. Follow that boy. What's that? No, that's a little boy.
That looks like it's got two arms and one tail.
It looks like a sailing boat, but it's not.
It's got two arms.
Yeah. Keep going.
So she's just letting herself go.
Come on.
Where are we going that way, Daddy?
This is the way we go home.
Why do the people go that way, Daddy?
Okay. Come over this way a little bit. Watch out, buddy. There we go. Good boy. When we get to this corner here, up a little bit further, pedal really hard because there's a bit of an uphill. Okay, so start to get a bit faster. Ready? Okay. Up the hill. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Nice work. Keep going, you're nearly there. You're nearly there. There you go. You made it. Woohoo! Keep over to the left. over here. Come over here.